Step 1. Register for MePass before downloading. Click on the invitation link. You can register using your email or mobile number. After registration, click to download MePass. Install and open MePass. Log in using the registered email or mobile number. Alternatively, you can download MePass first and then register. Visit the official website and go to the MePass download page. Select either the iOS or Android version to download. Install and open MePass. Complete the registration and log in. Step 2. Create your Meta Earth wallet after logging in. Back up your recovery phrase. Step 3. Complete your MeID verification. Follow the prompts to complete facial recognition, fill in your identity information and finish KYC. Step 4. View your unconditional basic income. Once your MeID is verified, you will receive one permanently staked MEC, which generates daily MEC income. You will also receive a monthly airdrop of 0.01 MEC. On the home page, tap My Total Staking Amount to enter Meta Earth Individual Rights, where you can withdraw your daily unconditional basic income. Step 5. Daily check-in for MEC rewards. On the home page, tap On-Chain Check-in. Follow the prompt to complete the sentence and check in, ensuring that your input matches the case exactly. Continuous check-ins increase rewards daily, up to a maximum of 30 times. Step 6. Join a node community on the link page. When you join a node community for the first time, you will receive 0.01 MEC. Step 7. Invite friends to register and complete MeID verification. Earn daily free income rewards and get even more MEC for yourself. On the home page, click the invitation pop-up or recommended invitations in the sidebar. Choose any invitation method. For each friend who successfully registers and completes MeID verification, you'll earn 0.1 MEC as a referral reward. Step 8. Explore the Explore page. Experience a variety of ecosystem apps and services, and participate in reward activities offered by different apps to earn more MEC. Please click on each app for details on specific rules. Download MePass now and mint your MeID to start earning MEC income every moment. Begin your Web3 digital wealth journey today.